finally got a new toy. Been wanting to get one of these for a long time, just because sanding is such a pain. Anyway, I'm going to be reusing these boards that we got for free on a bunk bed down there at the other house, and they've got some polyurethane on them already and some kind of red stain. I'd like to get it back down to just the cedar. And I noticed that when I cut them to length and laid them on the floor, the 2x4s are a little bit thicker than the 2x6 pieces. So definitely going to need this. I went with this one just because it looks pretty similar to the Triton brand. It almost looks exactly like the Triton one. You know, it's got the 4 posts, the same kind of vacuum or dust collection system and everything else. And it was on sale and made it half price of the DeWalt. Well, so you missed all that, and I was still jabbering, but that's probably okay. Anyway, this is what I got. Camera got hot again, wouldn't go, so I got it out of there. I'm just gonna set it up on here. Like I said, this was about half price of the DeWalt 735, so that's why I went with this. And on a couple of videos I watched, the Triton was the number 2 pick, and it's almost exactly like this. It looks very similar, so you know how that goes. 4 posts and everything. So this is one I went with. Let's just get it put together on my makeshift table, and we'll start cutting some boards for the first time and see how it goes. Yeah, that actually looks pretty good to me. I don't know how much better it can get. I assume it can, but I don't see any light on either end. So I guess right out of the factory it's set pretty good. So I think all I gotta do is turn it on and start cutting. Sorry about that, forgot the first board. But I think I got it set on the 2x6s. I'm just gonna take off just a little bit because they're already at the width I want. It's the 2x4s that are gonna have to be a few passes. On the 2x6s, I just wanna get that layer of stain and stuff that they already had on there off. That looks pretty good. That's really smooth anyway. By the time I put, well, I can put a little bit of sandpaper on here for these knots, but it's actually really smooth. This thing's kind of cool. It does have a pretty good amount of that snipe and stuff here. Maybe my table is not set just right, but that's okay. Normally I just cut it longer, right, and then chop it off there, or I'm just going to sand it down, and since we're putting stain and poly on here, it'll probably be just fine for the purposes of this table. So anyway, that'll come as I learn how to use it better. But it is pretty cool. Those things come out smooth. As always, we thank you for watching. Get outside, do something, and we'll catch you in the next video.